Okay, maybe start from you, please. Okay. No, please use this. Okay,
Okay.
come on. Okay,
Check, check.
maybe start
Thank
from
you
you,
for the
please.
chance. I
Okay.
am Dina,
No,
and
please
I am
use
from
this.
Max. Max is a
Okay, come on.
English community in Makassar, right? And
Mm-hmm.
it is on Almarkas. Okay, maybe that's all. Thank you.
Okay, what about the schedule? What about the
Pardon?
schedule?
The schedule of
Yes.
Max
Yes.
discussion. Oh, the discussion we held is in Thursday, and Saturday. So if you're interested, you can join us, and we
Mm-hmm.
will waiting for you guys. Thank you.
3 times in a week.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
thank you, Dina. Welcome.
Thank you.
Okay, what about you? Could you introduce yourself? What is your meeting club and what about the schedule, please?
Okay, my name is Agung Marsaling. I'm from English Youth Community,
Mm-hmm.
and people usually call it as EUC.
Okay.
And in our community, we have in free meeting that
Mm-hmm.
we do about 2 times a month.
Okay. Oh, two times a
Yeah,
month.
2 times
Okay.
a month.
Okay.
In weekend, maybe in Sunday or Saturday.
Not for time.
No, just 2 times.
2 times. Okay. Okay. Thank you,
Yeah.
Agung. Okay. What
Thank you
about
much.
you?
Yeah.
Okay. What about you?
Okay, thank you so much for
Uh-huh.
the opportunity. So I'm Zul. You can
Uh-huh.
call me Zulkhair or
Not Zulfikar?
not Zulfikar, but
Okay.
Zulkhair. It
Okay.
means khair means good.
Oh
Yeah.
my God.
And we are also in the same community
Mhm.
from Max.
Mhm.
Yeah, that's acronym from Al Markas and Lightenings for Hoodie
You
Studies.
did it.
Yeah, I did it because last time.
Yeah, I still remember it.
Yeah.
Okay.
of
Anyway,
course.
because you have, I
Mhm.
think you have an open recruitment about it.
Oh yeah.
How the people can join with Max.
Yeah.
Okay,
So now,
please
guys,
explain. Yeah.
which one is the camera? Okay.
It's time.
over
It's
there.
time for you. Okay.
Yeah, so now because Max open recruitment, so it's run right now, to be
Mm.
honest. So, and the last date is tonight. Yeah, tonight. Yeah,
Tonight.
unfortunately.
How can
Mhm.
they
Oh, just
join?
open the on Instagram, Max Almarkas _ So just register on that Instagram, or you can contact me on Instagram.
Free of charge.
Free, of course,
Okay.
free.
Thank you. So
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay. What about you?
Okay, Bismillah. My name is Nuzul Fahmi, and I'm
Mhm.
from English Youth Community too.
Mm-hmm.
About my community,
Yes.
besides free meeting, there are also intensive meeting and kampung binaan.
Kampung Binaan. So
Uh,
like volunteering movement.
Yes,
Okay.
there we try to create fun learning environment for the
Mhm.
children who no longer have access for school.
So not only English community, but all English, how to say, volunteering movements. IAT is a
Yes.
volunteering movement in
Yes.
Makassar also, right? Okay, thank you. It's very interesting. Thank you, Fahmi.
Yes.
Okay, guys. Okay, when we talking about our topic for this evening, our topic talking about relate with Muslim. Indonesia is the one of biggest Muslim country in the world, but not only in the Indonesia. When we're talking about Muslim, but all of the world, Muslim is the second largest religion all of the world. And when we're talking about Muslim, there are 5 rules or pillars in Muslim. We called lima rukun Islam, right? And one of them is pilgrimage to Hajj. It means that in bahasa menunaikan ibadah haji. So this is obligation for the Muslim, and but there is criteria to how to visit Makkah by pilgrimage to Hajj, right? And that's why our topic for this evening is pilgrimage to Hajj. Giving applause for us. Yes, are you ready, guys?
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, yeah. Dina, I would like to ask you. Okay, please.
Okay, thank you, Kak.
What
Sam.
is your reaction about our topic? Our topic is very special because relate with Muslim. How do you think about this?
Actually, it is something that uncommon actually in me for
It
me
is.
when we talk about
Uh-huh.
Hajj, because the first I never go to Mecca,
Uh-huh.
and then it is like very special just for just for some people, because when you want to pilgrimage to Hajj, you have to make you have to have a lot of money, of course, because you have to maybe to go to there you have to using some travel or something like that, and then just not all of the people can
Okay,
go there.
keep your statement. So your how to say, your notes is this is an uncommon topic and very interesting, right?
Like that.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you,
Yeah,
Dina.
thank you.
Okay. What about you, Fahmi? How is your reaction when you hear this topic for this evening?
Okay, I think this our topic today is very interesting because we can take it as our preparation before we go to Hajj one day. And also, I think this topic a little bit hard for me because I have no experience about Hajj, and
We are.
Yes.
Haven't yet. Really? We are, right? Okay, continue.
But actually, I have ever learned about pilgrimage to Hajj when I was in my senior high school, but I just forgot all of the material, so I have to learn about it again.
That's fine. You are still young.
Yes.
Very young.
I think that's all.
And you can saving your money, right?
Yes.
Okay. What about you? How is your reaction when you hear this topic for the first time?
Okay, my first reaction is I think this topic, same like her, it's difficult to me because I also now have experience about this.
Why
Yeah.
difficult? Why difficult?
Because I never learned about this topic significant.
Okay.
Because I still don't want to learn it.
Still say I still don't have money.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Again, keep your statement. What about you, Zul?
Yeah, of course.
Zulfikar orang
Zulkhair.
Oh, Zulkhair. Sorry.
Yeah, of course,
Okay.
it's like tremendously incredible topic for me.
Mhm.
Yeah, because you know what? Talk about Hajj. It easily to recognize,
Yes.
especially in Indonesia and also Malaysia, someone who had went to Hajj. Because you know the title of in front of their name there is Hajj or
Yeah.
Haja or Haji, right? Yeah. For example, perhaps my grandfather also and my grandmother, they changed their name
And
after.
In the front.
Yeah, put in front of their name as a Hajj, for example, Haji Jarre, for example.
Haji Jarre.
In Makassar.
You
yeah.
are Makassar
Yeah,
banget ya.
Yeah, you know, it's easily to recognize someone who have been Hajj. Yeah.
So
But I don't know in like.
is
in
this common
abroad.
phenomena?
That's common phenomena actually, especially in Indonesia and Malaysia.
But the topic is uncommon, right?
Uncommon. Yeah, that's right.
We are unique here.
Yeah, we are unique.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, my next question, you, Fahmi. You know, Hajj is one of pillars in Muslim. So, do you have a special target about a pilgrimage to Hajj when you want to visit Makkah someday? Do you have like target, maybe 2025, 2028, and so on, etc.?
Yes, of course, I have a target for going to Hajj. I am to go Hajj at the age of 25 because first I have to saving my money if I have my own job. First, after that, if I have my own job, I will saving my money for doing Hajj. But the most important is I want to take my parents first.
Wow, mashallah, it's mulia. How to say? Yes. So you will save your money, right? So I mean, like, what the step actually? Do you have a concrete step when you want to save your money? Like, what will you do to save money?
To save my money, of course, I have to have a job first because now I cannot saving my money because it's not enough. And then
And then
I think I
Yes.
just that.
Oh, just that. So, you will, how to say, we will call your idea after this, right? Okay, you keep
Yes.
your statement, Fahmi. What about you, Dina? Do you have a target? What years? When you want to visit Makkah? I mean, pilgrimage to Hajj as a one of pillar of Muslim.
Yeah, actually, I really want to go there, but
Everybody.
yeah,
Yeah.
but when I hear people, a lot of
Yes.
people say that you have to save your money first, and after you save money, you cannot directly go there because we have like entry or something like that because
The
of the year.
regulation, right?
Yeah, so we have to waiting for a lot of many years. Like some of family I know, they still counting.
But you may
days.
try Haji Plus.
Of course, it really needs a lot of money.
It's hard.
Right? Yeah, and for the regular, it also need a lot of money. So I actually have not planned it as a target in real in the near time, but maybe I just want to saving money 1st, and yeah, maybe just I don't how to say make a planning maybe after my 30 maybe because we need a lot of money and time.
But if you can, I mean, how to say, estimation or make approximation about the years, how many years after this? Maybe only
Maybe
prediction, only approximation.
Since it is
6 years later,
oh
7,
no, of course.
5.
Actually, I don't make a target like that because 6 years you have to make money and waiting for your how to say giliran. Yeah, it is takes a lot of time, right? So maybe after my 30, maybe 10 years again.
10 years.
10 years maybe.
Amin.
Amin.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Thank
It's
you.
clear your
Yeah.
about your approximation actually. Okay, what about you, Sul?
Yeah.
Do you have a target like what years you want to visit to Makkah?
Okay, talk about my target.
Mhm.
Approximately 10 years later.
Same.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
10 years later. Perhaps in my, I don't know, that's my 30 or 31, but with my family. So that's my big
and
dreams.
your wife.
Yeah, of course. If I have a wife in the future, yeah.
Future
Yeah.
wife.
My future wife, yeah. If I have, that's my big dreams actually in the future, that I would like to bring all of my family's member, my mother, my
Which one
father.
which one your family? EXO,
Mhm.
EXO, BTS. Oh, sorry, kidding. Sorry. No.
No.
Okay, continue.
My mother, my
Mhm.
father, my two of my brothers, and also my future wife. Yeah.
Like
If
him?
Yeah. Yes, my brother.
Because your brother here, right?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, so that's why that's my really big dreams in my future. So that is why I should like work hard from now, and I should study hard to get the suitable job to get a lot money, because the most important things to go Hajj is money. Even you have
Everything
a lot
is about
target.
money.
Yeah, everything. Yeah, even you have a lot of target in your life, like I gotta go Australia, I gotta go America, or I gotta go Makkah or Medina. Of course, the most important things or the fundamental things of that is money.
It sounds like
Yeah.
A.G. Hoke, the fundamental
Yeah.
English
Yeah.
podcast.
But I hope I will get like magic, for example, from the government. Is suddenly my name, like you know how to say, like there is like
You mean gratisan?
gratis. It's free. That's what I mean. It's free from the government. Like there is a program from the government. Yeah. But right now it's too difficult or too dangerous to talk about the government.
Okay.
Yeah. So let's skip it. Yeah. So that's what I mean. I hope I get like that, and I could go with my all of family's member.
Okay, thank you. So
Yeah.
nice. It's very great assumption and explanation. What about you, Agung? Do you have a target about visit to Makkah or pilgrimage to Hajj in your life? Maybe 10 years, 15 years, 8 years, 5 years. And what about how?
Actually, I don't have significant target about what year I will go to Hajj, but if I already finish my study
Mhm.
and I already have my own job, and
Mhm.
after that we save money and get married.
Oh,
And
okay.
because I have a plan that
Mhm.
I will pilgrim to Hajj
Mhm.
with my wife.
Oh.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
I
Uh-huh.
have plan about that, but
Is your future wife in behind you? Sorry, kidding, kidding. Okay. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
yeah,
Continue.
I hope so. But,
You have so? You have so? Really? Okay.
but the first thing
Uh-huh.
I have to finish my study and
Mhm.
have a job first. Yeah, it's like that.
Okay. Well, we get something like refilled something. But I don't know. Allah. Okay, thank you, Ageng. Okay, I move to the next question. Yeah. My question is, what do you think about the peoples who, how to say, don't have a planning visit to Makkah or pilgrimage to Hajj, but they are really really rich. How do but they are Muslim? How do you think about the people like that? Okay, you, Sul.
So yeah, this based on my perspective that person who is rich
Yeah.
or they are rich, right? Sometimes,
But not interest.
yeah, not
Interest.
interesting to go to
Yeah.
Hajj,
How do you think
right?
about the people like that?
Yeah, to be honest, not all people can go to Hajj,
Mhm.
right? Not all, even they are rich or they are poor, but it's depend on like hikmah or
Mhm.
hidayah from God, right?
Mm.
Because you know what, I have a friend, he's like don't have a lot of money,
Mhm.
but they could go Hajj because of
Mhm.
one of program from the government. They
Ooh.
they go to they join the
Okay.
competition,
Wow.
and then finally they can get ticket to
Mhm.
go Hajj. So finally
Mashallah.
he
Mhm.
get Hajj at a time. So
Mm.
rather than the person that they reach, but unfortunately
Okay.
they had a lot of activity,
Mhm.
they have a lot business because
Mhm.
they don't have target of that. So
Mhm.
that is why the first thing is niya, innamal a'malu binniyah.
Weh,
Yeah.
mashallah.
So the first thing is niyat, right?
Mhm.
If you are the person, even you don't have money or even you have money, but you have proposed to go Hajj, of course you will get it, because what you think in this life you will get on the future, right?
Mhm.
So that is why the first things is niya. If you always say that word, I gotta go Hajj, Hajj, and Hajj,
Mhm.
it could be true. It could be proof for the future. We
Mhm.
don't know, right?
Mhm.
We even don't know.
The most important is
Mm.
nawaitu.
Nawaitu.
Yeah,
So that's
oh,
right.
yeah.
Innamal a'malu binniyat.
Wow, mashallah,
Yeah.
Ustad. I will call you Ustad. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Okay, what about you, Agung? How do you how do you think about the people who is not interested with a visit to Makkah or pilgrimage to Hajj, but he or she or they are really rich? How do you think about the people like that?
I think they really waste their opportunities to
Mhm.
go there, because if we pilgrim to Hajj, we can cleanse our sins and ask for forgiveness to God.
Mhm.
And what the people will not go there, but they capable either about well or
Mhm.
strange, they're really waste of their opportunities. And also they also maybe not maybe, but
Mhm.
they will get like sins, of course,
Yeah.
by Allah, because they capable of well
Mhm.
and strength. Because if we go to Hajj, we have to have those two
Mhm.
capable, like well and strength. Because if we have capable of well, it's not just enough to go to Hajj,
Mm.
but we have to also capable of strength.
Mhm.
Because those two things can make us capable, or about what can make us to have to go
So
there.
this is like unfortunately, right? I mean,
Yeah,
like useless because they are rich but they don't want
Yeah, they
to visit to Makkah, right?
Yeah, they waste their opportunity.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Agung.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay. What about you, Fahmi? How do you think? Do you get the point right?
Yes.
Okay. Please answer.
In my point of view, it's really unfortunately
Mm-hmm.
and really was the change
Mhm.
because not all Muslim from all over the world can do that. Can do Hajj because they have money, a lot of money, but they can take advantage of their money for
Yeah.
going Hajj,
Mm-hmm.
and then maybe we can also positive thinking that they don't want to go Hajj because they have not good in wealth.
Yeah. Yeah.
Also, I mean health,
Health.
healthy body.
Health. Yeah.
Yes. And also,
In other side, right? In other side, even
Yes.
they are rich, but they have not good condition in health, right? Okay,
Yes.
continue.
I think that I'm confused about someone that do not want to go Hajj even they have a lot of money, because in Hajj we can take it as a reflection
Mhm.
and seeking for Allah forgiveness and mercy. So it's
Mhm.
really important for us as a Muslim.
Yeah.
That's it.
So yeah, I get the point. Thank you, Fahmi. Okay, what about you, Dina? Do you get the point? Or you want to explain? You asked me to explain, no? Okay, please.
I understand what you.
Time is yours. 60 seconds. No
Oh my
kidding.
God.
Thank you. Okay. on.
Yeah. Actually, when you asked the question
Mhm.
firstly to Zul,
Mhm.
I just thinking that, oh my God, why do people like that? I mean, we all know what is the benefit when we pilgrimage to Hajj, when we doing Hajj to Makkah, right? As our sister say before, that we can ask for mercy of Allah, Allah Subhanahu wa Taala, and yeah, maybe we can reflect our how to say iman, and just do thing that make you feeling close to Allah. It is really a good thing, right? So when you just have opportunity but you don't interest, oh my God, why you become like that? I don't know, maybe as our brother say, it is like hidayah they don't get. And when we talk about interesting
Did
is
you ever
something-
meet the people like that? Did you ever meet in your life?
No, maybe no.
No.
Yeah,
But you just
because
hear about that phenomena.
yeah,
Mhm.
I don't know why do people like that. Maybe also because their environment
That support.
don't support, and
Mhm.
maybe no one can tell them about hidayah or
Mhm.
something like that. So they don't want to, because they don't think what's the benefit of me to going to there like that.
So what about the people like that? It's actually in around you, like your environment.
Yeah, actually environment a lot, especially my parents, they really want to go there, but unfortunately we don't have a lot of money. And actually my father ever asked to take the antrian of people, but he have to pay 2 times. My father have to pay double. So
Okay.
he also think about maybe where did he want to can get the money, right? So my father don't take it because it's really crazy
Be
number.
patient. You will.
Yeah.
Inshallah. Yeah.
Amin.
Okay. That's our conversation for a while. We will be right back after this. Stay tuned on 101.1 Smartfm, the spirit of Indonesia. 101.1 Smartfm, the spirit of Indonesia. Yes, we are still here from Max from EUC. Okay, thank you so much, guys, because you are still, how to say, a good motivation to keep stay here and answer my question. And of course, our topic for this evening is pilgrimage to Hajj in bahasa menunaikan ibadah haji. Yeah, and also we can also not only haji but also umrah. Yeah, yeah. I have a question. My question is, why the phenomena of the price of Hajj and Umrah as a period is higher like that. Why like that? And how do you think about that, guys? I start from you.
Okay.
So again.
Yeah. So as we see right now, the reality, right? The price is high, is expensive because there are a lot of people who want to go to Hajj or go to Umrah. Just small analogy about it. For example, this stone, I sell.
Is this candy or
Oh,
something?
okay, candy. I don't know.
No,
Okay, this
kidding.
one. If I sell this one, but there is just one person that interests with this stone or this stone. Yeah, of course I will sell with the small price. However, if you are interested with this stone, of course I will make this price expensive, right? For example, you want it the first time, I just want to sell this stone with $2, for example.
Wait,
or-
so it sounds like a demand and apply economical principle, right?
Oh, yeah, that's right. Yeah, it's related actually.
Saya curiga like
Yeah.
okay, continue.
And also like this, for example, the first time I sell this one with $2, and then because there are a lot of people who want this stone, so that's
Okay.
why I will increase the price of this in $5, for example, or $10. And the other case, there are a lot of filler, or there are a lot of like how do you say, goods that's expensive also. For example, hotels, of course, not stagnant in, for example, in 2021 is the salary or the price is just like 50,000, for example. And of course next year, of course, it could be increased because all of the goods right now it increased by the period, right? So we couldn't make this one is stagnant. Not only Hajj actually, so all of the condition this word like destination place.
In economic discipline, we call that phenomenon is like inflation.
Inflation, yeah.
Inflasi in bahasa.
Inflasi, yeah, that's right. So that's why there is no goods in this world have like stagnant price. For example, at the time we call nasi goreng in Indonesia. Nasi goreng at the time just 500.
Nasi
and
goreng,
nasi goreng, bakso.
Yes.
It's just 500, and nowadays it increase. Perhaps right now it's 15, right? 15,000, right? Yeah. Just when my grandfather or my grandmother tell me or told me his story, of course they will say, oh, this one is cheap in last year, for example, or even uang panai, uang panai last in that period, in my grandfather period, of course uang panai he said to me just 500, and nowadays 50
Okay.
million.
I keep
Oh
your
my
statement. I get the
God.
point. Your point is inflation.
Inflation,
And it's
okay.
depend on demand and supply also.
Yeah, that's
Okay,
right.
the economical principle. Okay, what about you, Agung? Why the phenomenon this happen is like as a period is a higher, as a period is a higher. Why like that? The price of pilgrimage to Hajj.
I don't know exactly about why the price of Hajj is expensive right now, but I will agree for Brother Soul opinion that say there are a lot of people want to go Hajj, and so they want to seek of fortune, fortune. So and then also I think about they like
What is?
increasing
Yes.
increasing the price of Hajj.
I think give me 100 adakah? I think like that, Nat.
I think this is so badly for people who already have struggle to save money or find money. Like example, if there is a people that ever hear about the price of going to Hajj just 12 million, but and then like suddenly if he or she already got the money 12 million, and then suddenly you hear what the price of going to Hajj is increased or expensive, like.
But of course, your expectation is getting low, right?
Yeah, but
Everybody, everybody, or only you?
no, but everybody.
Everybody. Yeah. I just asked you to choose which one, yes or no. Okay, thank you again. What about you, Fahmi? What is your perspective? Why this happened? Why this phenomenon is happened like that? It's getting high, getting high, getting high.
Yeah, in my point of view, I agree with the statement from Brother Sul. It's maybe about the inflation, but I think it's not fair for someone that who have been struggle and saving their money for a Hajj and then waiting for a long time, but they don't get their turn to go Hajj.
Yeah.
And I think for someone that have a lot of money, they will don't mind about that. But for someone that have don't have a lot of money,
Yeah.
they will think about it again before go to Hajj because the increasing of the cost.
Yeah. So is it normal or not?
I think not.
Not. Okay, so I mean, like, maybe possible the government can make a good regulation, a bit like to take how to say kebijakan, something like that. Not kebijakan, but kebijakan, something like that, right? Yeah, maybe because every country is actually different price. Yes, different price. It's depend on the regulation of the every country, but the same. How to say it's but actually same in how to say mata uang asli. It's the same price, but if we see and find in every country it's different price. Yeah, different price, but actually in the root it's the same actually, but I don't know the precise of the price. I don't know about it. We don't have knowledge about the price, the precise of price, the accurately, right? But why different price? Because the values of a currency it's different in every country, something like that. But if the root like how to say what is the currency of Makkah, Arab Saudi, actually it's the same. But if you change in the every country in all of the world, of course, automatically different the result of the money. The some money it's totally different because the currency, right? Every country is different also. Okay, thank you. What about you, Dina? Do you get the point, right?
Yeah, I get the point.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, all of us thinking that it may be cause of inflation
Mm-hmm.
or economic,
Yeah.
how to say, economic state you say before.
Mm-hmm.
I just thinking that is our government thinking about economic state to us. I mean, all of us as just how to say masyarakat. We just want to go to Hajj and they make up I don't know politics.
Continue.
Yeah, I mean, when our government make a good regulation, maybe they will thinking that oh my God, there are so many people who want to go to Hajj.
Yeah.
So we as a government we have to make the good condition, good policy to them. So they may be thinking when they want to make a policy, they have to thinking about us, about how many of us want to go and how many we are maybe how to say berumur in the age in the something like that. So they have to thinking all of them, because they are government. It is their obligation to thinking us. So when you say that every year the cost is getting increase, oh my God, even though it is there is a inflation, they have
Is it
to
normal?
thinking. It is maybe normal, but it is normal in in kondisi tertentu, how to say, in some condition, when it is increase lot of times, it is not normal, right, guys? Thank you.
Okay, thank you. You are very critic. Okay. Yeah, my next question about pilgrimage to Hajj. Yeah. The central of the human being, of course, actually the essential of the Muslim is in Mecca. In Mecca, from all of the world, people, Muslim all of the world, going to Mecca and pilgrimage to Hajj. Yeah. So actually, in your mind, guys, do we need mastering English or Arabic to visit Mecca? Should we, to make easier our how to say pilgrimage to Mecca, or not? How do you think about this language, Arabic and English? How far they help us to make it easy our visitation to Mecca, something like that, Dina? Okay, how if the people mastering this, and how if the people doesn't mastering this language?
Yeah. I just talk about my parents' experience. Yeah. My parents did umroh in last year. Last year they go to umroh, two of them, and they say that Alhamdulillah we don't have to learn about English or Arabic because a lot of Indonesian people there. I don't know. They talking like when you just go to outside, you will meet a lot of Indonesian people.
Okay.
So they will help you to maybe to go to.
They live there.
Yes.
They live there.
Yeah.
Okay.
It is surprisingly because they prepare. Oh my God, we have to learn English.
Or maybe local society.
Yeah, when they go there, they just meet a lot of Indonesian, like how to say, the sailor, the people who be how to say,
yang always shouting, the people always shouting the candidate of the president of Indonesia.
What? I don't understand.
There is sailor, many in YouTube. Sorry. Okay, continue.
Okay, yeah. So they just speak Indonesian in there because there are a lot of Indonesian there. So, but I also ever heard a lot of. I'm sorry, even though it is in Makkah, there is still people who make a crime, right?
Yeah.
Just for being how to say berhati-hati. You just have to speak English, especially because it is the very basic when you go to outside. You have to know about English. Maybe that's all. Thank you.
Based on your parents' experience,
my parents'
so
experience.
we don't need, right, to mastering Arabic or English.
We don't need, but if you
in reality, in the field,
in reality, you don't really need.
really like that.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Dina.
Thank
Okay,
you.
what about you, Fahmi? Do you get the point right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, please.
Okay. Beside, there are many Indonesian people in Mecca, like Kak Dina said. I think also people that who want to go to Hajj don't need to learn about the language because there are a tour guide. And I think all of the rituals in Mecca is how to say, accompanied by the tour guide.
Tour leader.
Yes. So if we around the Kaaba or in Mecca, all of thing that we want to say or we want to ask something, we just need to communication with the tour
We just
leader.
need money.
Yes.
Yeah, continue.
I just know a little bit about that. Just
So what about the people around you? Maybe have experience about it. You may make addition about your statement. Do you still have about this question?
about there
Yeah.
is someone that ever go to Hajj in my
Mhm.
family. My aunt.
Yeah.
She also didn't learn about the language because there is they just follow what the leader said.
Tour leader, you mean?
Yes, the leader.
Okay, thank you. So even people not mastering this language like Arabic and how to say English, but we have how to say facilitator,
Yes,
right?
facilitator.
Okay. What about you, Agung? Is it works that if someone or a college sorry is someone mastering English or Arabic when they visit to Makkah?
Okay, I think we don't really need to mastering their language. Like Sister Fami said, there is a tire. How to say a tour guide, and also beside a tour guide, there is also a guidebook, so that the pilgrimage not or the pilgrims can easy to communicate with people there because there is a guidebook if they want to buy something in the market. So we don't really need to master about their language, but
Indonesia is enough, yeah, bahasa.
yeah, but if you want to master it, it's okay. It's good also because yeah, we don't know if there is someone there want to foolish us.
Yeah, because the local people they master Indonesia, right? Because they are seller. Singgah beli. Yeah, nomor satu, nomor dua, nomor tiga, like that. I just see in YouTube. Yeah, okay, something like that. That's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, what about you, Zul?
Yeah,
Zulfikar?
Zulkhair. Oh my
Zul.
God.
Okay.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. So the question is, we should learn English. Should we learn English or should we learn Arabic to go to Arabic or not? Right? Yeah, of course, because there are a lot of people from Indonesian or from Malaysian who visited Makkah or Medina. Of course, no need to speak Arabic or speak English. Because you know what? The fun fact, there are a lot of seller that you mentioned just now learn about Indonesian language. Like beli.
Yeah,
It means
like
come
that.
in, yeah, right? There are a lot of people who learn because there are a lot of Indonesian people. They also learn. They mastering of how to say communication in seller.
Yeah.
They learn about marketing, so they should implement Indonesian language as a seller, right?
The local seller, you know, did you know they have S for marketing.
Yeah, that's
Not
right.
S3, S for marketing.
S for
because
marketing.
they learn our language,
Yeah,
right?
that's right. And also, if you're gonna go in hotel or whatever that you want to go, you also could use your body language. For example, open, or want to eat, like just like this. So no need, because this based on my father and my grandfather perspective, like experience, that they said to me, I thought the first time I will confuse because there are a lot of people who speak Arabic. However, the reality, no, because there are a lot of college students over there that from Indonesia that could help my grandfather and also grandmother. And you know what, grandfather and my grandmother is too difficult to speak, even Indonesia.
Yeah.
Even Indonesian language, but they just speak Makassar language, right?
Indigenous.
So they try to do something with body language, and also they know a little bit Arabic language, like haram. Yeah, do you know what, this I just want to talk about my grandfather experience, that they want to buy something and then they try to buy with the cheapest price, and the seller said haram. So they understand, oh, haram means we couldn't buy with that price.
Forbidden.
Right? Forbidden to
Yes,
buy.
yes.
Yeah, so that is why it doesn't mean you should mastering of language like Arabic and also English language, because at least you have money and then you can pay the tour guide, for example, and also you could ask a lot of college students over there from Indonesia, and I believe all of seller over there already understand even a little bit about Indonesian language. So no need to mastering like كيف حالك or
بخير
بخير تعلم اللغة العربية
wow
or whatever.
mashallah. Okay,
Yeah, that's it.
okay, thank you. Okay, after this, prepare yourself, guys, to how to say, to think about vocabularies relate with the topic. Think about maybe you have idioms about relate the topic, final words, wise word, a conclusion, or final statement. Yeah, and of course, I would like to invite you guys one by one to explain about your conclusion for our this topic. Who gonna be the first speaker? Who want to raise your hand? Who want to conclude our topic? You? Okay, please. Time is yours. 60 seconds. No kidding.
I will just say that if you all Muslims watch this, if you're capable of wealth or strength, I hope you have to go to Hajj. You have to do pilgrim to Hajj, because it's the obligation of the 5 pillar.
Yeah.
So you have to do it to fulfill your 5th obligation. After that, if you already do that, you have to to fix your niyat also to go there. So
Mashallah. That's it.
just
Okay. Thank you. Who gonna be the second speaker who want to conclude our topic? Okay, Fahmi. Okay. You see, you have a 100 vitamin C. Sorry. Okay, come on.
Okay. The conclusion for our topic today, I can say that if you want to go Hajj, you have to prepare our healthy body and our and saving our money.
Yeah.
And then if you want to do Hajj, you have to take it really seriously to seeking for Allah's blessing, mercy, and forgiveness, and take it as a reflection.
Oh,
So-
thank you, Fahmi. Okay, who gonna be the third? Okay, please conclude.
Yeah. My conclusion for our discussion tonight is all of us know the benefit when we pilgrimage to Hajj, but not all of us want to go there. I don't know why. Maybe you have your own how to say reason. It's okay, but if you still don't know why and why you have to go there, just go there and you will find the solution. And when you want to go there, you have to maybe you don't have to know English, but if you want to know English, you can go to Max and discuss with us English discussion and see you.
Okay. You don't need to really master English, but you need money. Yes. Okay, what about you, Sul?
I just want to say to the camera,
Yes.
Yeah. guys, the good place or the good destination if you want to visit, just go to Makkah or Madinah. Yeah, so now please prepare yourself. Please, you should have niyat to go to Makkah or Hajj. And of course, in the future, it could be true. Yeah, it could be true. Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Do you have a special words about our topic for this evening? Related vocabulary?
A special word.
Yeah.
Yeah, of
Like-
course, I would like to say this topic is really amazingly incredible. Yeah.
Okay, Dina, do you have? No idea?
Actually, I have no idea because all of us are special, and I don't know how to say something special more
Okay,
than us.
speechless, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you guys for coming here. Yeah, thank you, Fahmi from EUC. Thank you, Agung from EUC. Thank you, Dina from Max. Thank you, Zul, from Max. Also, thank you for me also. Yeah, Erdesam. That's all our conversation for this evening. I think you can get many beneficial about our discussion for this evening relate about Hajj, and the topic is pilgrimage to Hajj. And always don't forget to watch our program, special program, Smart Up Your Life, English discussion with English communities, and of course with Smart FM. Smart FM 101 by 1. Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. So see you for the next weeks. Bye bye.